Hey guys, welcome back to Camera Reaction for another reaction video for me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video. Basically, this was something that someone sent to me. Bad versus the Good versus the GOAT rappers 2021. So I'm curious to see who they're gonna have on this list. Okay. Let's see if I know any one of these people.
Like you seen a ghost, and your bitch love my team like she beat the coach. Always talking about cash if you need a loan. No, I can't feel it. It's just pop 2%, I'm pissed cause I cannot feel it.
I ain't even doing too much, I'm in a high-end beamer. I could do the dash and leave them. Give them the cold shoulder, left them freeze them. See they face, they begging for me to ease them.
Don't know who this is, Farrah 4X.
So I know Ashley. No face, there's no keys, don't tag me. Throwing these suns, but next time just add me. Doing too much, I'm in a high-end beamer. Do the dash and leave them. Give them the cold shoulder, left them freeze them. See they face, they begging for me to ease them. Break up the yard when I wanna be classy. Trusted a big, you with a slide, no Ashley. No face, there's no case.
It's not bad. It's a good song to listen to. Oh my god, please don't do Iggy like that. Oh, Roddy Ricch, I heard his name before.
When I wake up, I recognize you looking
at me Kendrick.
For the pay cut. Bahamas, I be looking at you from the face down. One Mac 11, even boom with the
He be talking shit cause he just wanna hit. Why you lying on your dick? Lying on your dick? Why you lying on your dick? Lying on your dick?
Police steady watching me. Every day they clocking me. Red alert, I'm the dangerous. I keep that clock on me. And they ain't looking for no trouble. I'm just looking up.
It was all a dream.
Hey.
I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures.
Watch this. Paparazzi. I'ma live my life, Miami Vice fell false.
Riff Raff.
This is the checkers game where grandson and granddad will bond.
That's your rapper name, Riff Raff? Little Skies. Okay, so I do know a few people from this list. Drake? Okay.
Rappers pushing Xanax at the top of the billboard, but if I mention race in a song, I'm scared I'll get killed for it. It's backwards, it's getting next.
That was kind of good.
When I tear down the booth, girl, I can't wait till I get home. Fuck the shit out of you, even on your worst days.
So fuck your bitch in the clique you claim. West side when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fuck
on me that is best for me. Stars on my roof like astrology. All of her story, now her man won't follow me. She say I got the good taste, so she swallow me. I give her a perk and I think she just swallowed me.
off the juice. Coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, walk around.
Tired of sleeping with bums, I can't even blame her for.
Oh, Lil Wayne had his moment.
Waking up in her real sometimes.
Yeah. I see Narco.
Speed on the dash, I put my foot on the gas. The baby hair blowing back, driving fast to blow a bag. Set it all down. I'm the one that turns. I ring look cool with 200 to dash. Cut your jeans, ain't no way I can say. Ain't no way I'm ever gonna go out. Man, I can't go out no way.
Young Thug, okay? I thought he was joking. Little TJ. Ooh. A$AP Rocky, okay. Silent Hill. Trippie Redd. Oh, I know the hair now. Oh, may he rest in peace. Oh, he died here in South Florida. Little Xan.
I was taught to feel how I feel, keep it real.
Okay, okay, Rico Nasty. Who the hell is this? Give it. What? Okay, this is a new type of rap. Snot. Oh my god, is that Jamaica? Okay, this is new. This is a new type of, it's like rap and rock together. He's so stupid.
Get in them, baby. You know me, hit you anywhere, baby. Know she gon' do whatever I say. I can piss in the cup, call it lemonade, baby. Let that bitch
Bottle full of bub, mama, I got what you need. If you need to
Tina.
I'm in there having sex.
Hey.
Making love, so come on.
Joe to lean back, don't get hit with
Nick Cannon?
I fuck with crack, but the white boy, he fuck with crack. Pills and smack.
Wait, was
Get hit with this.
this when he was talking about Saint Masus the rapper? Ooh, I forgot Nick was a rapper.
Pills and smack.
Mama, please don't you cry. I'm sorry. I just caused some.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the
Didn't he pass? Didn't he die too? May he rest in peace. Damn, a lot of people died recently. Skinny. Shut up. Oh my god, I know it's Slow Thigh.
$100,000 for the cheapest ring on the neck finger, little bitch.
Okay, Future, I'm happy to see that you're the GOAT. You know, you should. Don't say nothing. Okay, and I'll chop up. Okay. Of course, Eminem gotta be on this list. Okay. Eminem. French Montana.
Police let me on a chase, but still I got away. Bitch, I'm tired of running from the Jakes. They need to give it up.
Damn, they be killing people in their damn videos. Jake Peg Mafia? Oh, this is Lil Uzi Vert. Isn't this the one that's with one of the city girls? Chief Keef.
I fuck with savages, you a fuck boy, you can't hang. You can find me posted up on
Okay, Billy.
gang.
Yes, Billy. Oh, give it up for the big boy. Okay. You know, beside all of his isms, Kanye West is a GOAT.
I'm the next big thing.
Daddy Long.
Shut the fuck up and suck this big neck. Daddy long neck, smoking on that propane. Somebody.
When you feel like this, can nobody tell you shit.
I don't know who this is.
When you feel like
I don't know who this is. Rich don't know who this is. Big Baby Gucci. Don't know who this is either. Oh my god, don't do plies like that.
I don't think you understand. I can never stop myself depending on another man. I could be broke one day on the other hand.
Okay, you better come. You better throw them words out there, sir. Ooh, Nas. Oh, Nas. Not Lil Nas, Nas. Looks. He got it. So, as you guys can see, that was my reaction to Bad vs. Good vs. GOAT rappers 2021. I think I did very good. Most of these rappers, I've heard of them before. I heard other rappers talk of them before. So, I'm happy to hear that. Oh my god, you guys, they did a little, not little, but they did Iggy Azalea So Wrong. I kind of like some of Azalea songs that she has. It's really good. It's really good. I was like, oh my god, it's good. It's good, good. Give her a chance. 6ix9ine is more of like a pop rapping to me. He makes some good songs to make you feel good. I won't expect 6ix9ine to give me no Nas, no Kanye, no Jay-Z, no Tupac, no Biggie album. And this is coming from someone who don't even listen to rap like that. I'm just getting into rap for the past couple, like 2 years now. But I don't expect him to give me no spoken word type of rap. If he gives me that, then I'm rich. But anywho, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to them as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my god, you guys did my girl Iggy so wrong.